Welcome back to another episode of Your Cooking with Night Diva Chef Doris T. Tonight's recipe is Virgin Pina Colada.
Alright, first off, this thing's amazing. I love it.
I like it.
Now let me show you exactly what it is that makes this pina colada a big hit. For this Virgin Pina Colada, we only need 3 components, which is ice, pineapple juice, and also cream of coconut. As you can see, I'm making a big mess with the ice, and I put too much ice inside of the pitcher, so I'm going to have to take some out or I won't be able to close the lid. Okay, so I have my ice here, and now I'm going to add some pineapple juice. That's a 6-ounce can, but I'm only going to use 4 ounces of it. So I'm just going to pour it over the ice, and next I will add my cream of coconut. Now it depends on how you want your pina colada to taste. If you want more of a pineapple taste, then add more pineapple juice. If you want more of a coconut taste, then add more cream of coconut. Me personally, I like more of a coconut flair, so of course I added more cream of coconut. So here I'm just going to blend everything together until it becomes nice and smooth and the ice is well chopped. Depending on how well your blender chops up ice, this shouldn't take long. This should only take around 30 to 40 seconds, not long at all. And once it's all chopped and mixed up, you could decide if you want it to be thicker. The more ice you add, the thicker it is. If you want it thin, then you will add more liquid components like more of the pineapple juice or even more of the cream of coconut. And as you can see here, I have mine's nice and frosty. This is how I like it. This is how they serve it up in the restaurants, and I want it to be exactly how the restaurants is. So now I'm going to add my pineapple slice and put it on the side of the glass. Usually at the restaurants they have actual pineapple wedges, but this works fine for me. And I'm going to add my little cute umbrella, which I have assorted colors, but I chose the blue. And then I'm going to add a cherry on top. And here you have your Virgin Pina Colada, guaranteed to be a big hit at any gathering, any party. And let me just bring it in a little closer. Very nice, very tropical, just like any restaurants. As for the taste, well, hear it for yourself.
Alright, first off, this thing's amazing. I love it.
Well, there you have it. The results are in. You heard it for yourself. And thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Your Cooking with Night Diva, Chef Doris T, and hope to see you again soon.